Google Authenticator has two ways to transfer codes to a new device, and we'll cover both ways in this video. So let's get started. Both ways support cross-platform transfer, so we can transfer from an Android to an Android and iPhone, and an iPhone to an iPhone and Android. The first and the quickest way is through your Google account. When you open the app, you will either see your Google account here or a basic placeholder icon. If you see your Google account icon and this small cloud icon, it means that your accounts are being synced to your Google account already. You may tap this cloud to verify it. You can also tap on it to see which Google account is selected. If you want to use a different Google account for syncing, tap Use without an account. What this will do is unsync your account. Please note that clicking this will remove all the accounts from all other devices with the same Google account. This device will still have them. Once you do that, click the profile icon and pick a different account. Now the codes are being synced to this Google account. To get those on a different device, download the app. On the Get Started screen, pick the same Google account. If you're already on the main interface, click the profile icon and pick your Google account. Lovely, the accounts are now on both devices. The second way is if you don't want to use the internet or your Google account sync. This method is also great if you just want to transfer specific codes, not all of them. Lastly, this method also works between Android and iPhone. First, in the device where all the codes are saved, go into the left menu. Here, tap Transfer Codes. You will get the Export and Import options. On this device, click Export Codes. You will need to insert the device PIN or verify your biometrics. Here, pick the accounts to export. I'll leave them all selected. Now pay attention as the process has changed a bit. You will notice a QR code. In the device where you want to import them, go to the same transfer codes. This time we'll choose Import. Then click Scan QR code. It will open up the camera. We need to scan the exporting device QR code with this camera. Once done, it will show you a message to scan the second QR code. Tap Next over here and you will see the second code. In the importing device, tap the same QR code button and scan the QR code with it. Lovely. After scanning both codes, you will see all the accounts. Click Next on the exporting device. Google will ask if you want to delete all the codes from this device as they have been exported. You can delete them or keep them here as well. I'll keep them here. Done. You can see that all the accounts are the same with the same codes. Lovely. This is all for this video. Thank you for watching it. I'll see you next time. Take care.